Hey there, welcome to Bob's Cooking and Stuff. Today we're making one of my favorites on the griddle. We're gonna make Mexican street corn. Stay tuned. Please forgive my butchering of the Spanish language in today's video. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is grate the cotija cheese. I hope I'm saying that right. If not, someone let me know. Next, we're gonna mix in a half a cup of crema, and a cup of mayonnaise. We're gonna just mix those together. Next, we're going to cut our bacon into small pieces. We'll get that and just put it on a plate and kind of break it apart a little bit. Okay, we'll see you outside. Okay, we're gonna put our bacon down while the griddle is getting warm, or getting hot, instead of waiting until it's up to temperature. That'll help your bacon render some fat, keep it from burning by starting it out when it's at a lower temperature. Pulling this bacon apart, getting it separated. Okay, we're going to take the bacon grease and spread it around on the griddle. We're going to dump our corn straight into the bacon grease. We want to get all that corn bathed in that bacon grease. And we put that corn down. It was still frozen. We didn't thaw it. We'll turn these burners down to low. We'll add a generous amount of Fajita seasoning. Then we're going to put in a couple packets of this Sazon Goya. My friend Manuela put me onto this. And we're going to give that all a mix. Due to salt restrictions in the family, I don't add salt, but normally here would be where I would add it. Next, we're going to come in with a little bit of this Tajin Seasoning. This has got a really strong lime flavor, so we're going very gingerly with this. And now we're going to come in with some cilantro. And we had some finely diced queso cotija cheese, and we're gonna sprinkle that on here. We've got some that we shredded that we're gonna put on top. Please like, comment, and share. And now we're going to put down some of our crema and mayonnaise mix. Okay, the last thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put in some garlic and herb butter. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, now we're gonna add our bacon back in. I'm gonna stir that around. Now we'll plate this up. Put in our corn. Now we'll add the cheese we grated. Little cilantro on top of that. We'll add our jalapeno cheddar Cheetos. These have been broken into slightly smaller pieces. Then we'll add our Mexican crema and mayonnaise mixture. And a little more cilantro for garnish. And there you have it, bacon fried Mexican street corn.